So my mom got a new Bluetooth speaker for our shower, as the previous shower speaker that I unboxed in a video 4 years ago, that didn't really sound that great, so my mom decided to get a better one for $25. This is Anker Souncore Select 4, and this is All Day Power Vibrant Vibes. Has customizable 9-band EQ, IP67 protection, and it's foldable, has 20 hours of battery life. And right here just advertises how it's sound that travels. Here just advertises all its features like 20-hour playtime, lightweight and portable design, 5-watt vibrant sound, IP67 and protection and flowable, TWS pairing, and customizable 9-band EQ. And it explains that you can download the app on the Apple App Store, Google Play. And it explains what's in the box, which is the Souncore Select 4 Go and the USB-A USB-C cable. This advertises a 20-hour ultra-long playtime, which is ultra long, but let's go ahead and without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get into this unboxing. So right here we have the Anker Souncore 4 Go, which I'll go ahead and take out of its packaging. As you can tell, here it is in all its beauty, and it has some buttons right here. And right here it has its USB-C charging port. And right here, here's the USB-A to C cable that it comes with. And this right here is a basic manual of how to use it. And this is just a pretty self-explanatory manual. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and power on the speaker. And I'm going to go into Bluetooth settings. And I'm going to go ahead and pair this to my iPhone 12 mini. And I'm going to go ahead and search up some non-copyright music. This right here is the song that I'm testing. It sounds pretty good for my impressions, which is not bad for a $25 Bluetooth speaker. This is definitely better than just standard iPhone speakers. So yeah, that's really all I have to say about the speaker. And do you own one of these? And if so, what is your experience with it? Please comment that down below. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.